I should have looked at the pictures a little better. If I would have, I'd have brought my ramps, but these are gonna work perfect. Oh wow, that thing's low.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I'm pretty sure this is stock.
That thing is low. Here we go.
I think no matter what, we're gonna get a few scrapes.
Oh, we'll just take it nice and slow, bud, I promise. Nice and slow. The slower you go, the further you get. And slow and steady wins the race. And we're gonna go there. Yeah. These will help. Thank you. All right. We'll get it up there though. All right, so what I'll do is, so what I'm gonna do is tighten the cable real quick. And then I'll set the, we're gonna pull it, but I'm gonna leave it on barely because we are on a very, it must have came out. We're on a small incline coming towards me, so I don't want it to roll and hit the truck. I want to be in complete control the entire time. So what I do is very slightly, I very slightly pull against the, with the brake just barely on, just barely. And the way she just don't roll on us. Usually about like that. Thank you. Let's watch and see how she does. Throw that idle up. Do me a favor and turn the wheel a little bit to the right. Yes, sir, just a hair. Right there, perfect. I do got my Mytee starter ramp, so. Since it kicked this one out, use this one here, give me some more of a lift. It should be perfect right there. Just if you don't mind, keep your eye on that front end for us.
Yeah, if it gets up on that board, it'll be fine, but it's just about touching.
It's about to touch?
Yeah.
Boom. I should start lifting that front end up in the air immediately. Is it in gear? Yeah, those front tires look like they were. No? Why was it? Maybe just because the plastic is slippery, it's don't want to roll up.
Yeah, it's slipping underneath.
I got something.
Okay.
Do the skates upside down, they give me a little bit more of a lift. So that one is up, rolling up, this one's not, so I'm going to roll it down some. And now we'll get our grab. Have to get something different besides those. Those ain't gonna work. All right, I'll be right back. Backwards. Looks like if I stick, and I done backed up without the car, so I know I can make it up. So coming off, the car's gonna be at a little bit of a steeper incline. So those little things that we were using, we'll figure it out. Yeah, we'll figure it out, but it's probably gonna need something a little bit more of a rise, but we'll get it figured out. This might be perfect. All right, so the bed will not go down from there, which means that let me loosen the old girl up. Yeah.
Turn the steering wheel this way a little bit.
Mytee skates to save the day.
Just watch me, Zach, okay?
All right, that's gonna give him to where now he's got something. He's not going straight to the ground. It should come right off. And then what I can do is I can unhook to where he can coast, you know, if you want to do it like that, to where we can get him all the way in now, okay, if you want to. Okay. And we'll just nice and slow, you know. All right, put your foot on the brake and your e-brake on. I'm gonna unhook you and you're gonna roll off. We're gonna be watching you and we're gonna push you into the garage, okay? You're not gonna be hooked up, so go ahead and stand on your brake and pull your e-brake up, please. Thank you. Yep. I'm getting the other side. Thank you. All right, so your dad, I would listen to him, yeah, and then I'll be watching.
Yeah. All right, just slowly let off the brake.
Oh yeah, yeah. He said slowly let off the brake. Nice. Has he got the brake on?
No, you don't got the brake on at all, right?
Okay.
You going? This is the way you go. Alright, we're just trying to get it to lock because we're hitting the
curb.
E-brake's on now.
Alright, we'll take it off.
Sure?
Yeah.
All the way. Yeah, all the way. No brakes, neither.
No brakes at all.
Going up the lip. Good deal.
Alright, turn the other way. Turn to your right.
Yep.
Turn to your right. Alright, it's locked. It's okay.
Oh, he needs his key, I guess.
Alright, cool.
Thank you, bro.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, anytime. Thanks, bro.
No
Y'all take care of yourself, man. Yes, sir.
You too.
Yes, sir.